Hey, Kyle here with White Label Suite. We've got an amazing update for you. Now available under the White Label tab in your business account, you can add a script, for instance, like the high level chat widget, or if you've got a script for a chat bot, you can now copy, paste that in here, and that will show up inside of your white label version of the software. As you can see here, the high level chat widget as an example. This is a perfect opportunity to, however, you've got the chat widget program to provide support, to provide a point of contact for your clients, and a way to just let them know, hey, if it's more urgent, now you can either chat with our bot, you can submit a form. If you have a way of maybe adding some documentation here, they can look up certain steps for the search features or the AI tools or anything like that. Same thing we've got available in our help center. You can copy paste here and make that available to your clients in a chat bot or chat widget. Got a lot of things in the pipeline. Our dev team is busy putting together for you. And if you have a suggestion for White Label Suite, you can always go to roadmap.whitelabelsuite.com. You can keep up with the items that we're currently reviewing, things we have in progress, what's been completed, and obviously drop your idea in there. Looking forward to the next update coming out here soon. And if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and do that. Hit the little bell and make sure you get these updates as we're dropping them.